Same car, same brand, but in two countries, the price difference will shock you.
In India, the Toyota Fortuner starts at around 33 lakh rupees.
But in Pakistan, the same Fortuner can cost over 1.5 crore rupees. Same SUV, same company. So why is the price so different? The biggest reason is simple: lakhs, taxes. Pakistan adds heavy import duties and multiple government taxes on big cars. In India, Fortuner is assembled locally, which reduces its cost. Currency value also plays a huge role in the final price. In Pakistan, many Fortuner parts are still imported, which makes it even more expensive. That's why the same Fortuner feels like a luxury in one country and ultra-luxury in another. For many people, owning a Fortuner is a dream, but the dream costs very different. In India, touring around 33 to 50 lakh. In Pakistan, touring over 1.5 crore. The same car, but a completely different financial reality. From lakhs to crores door, all for the same SUV. Different markets, different economies, more, different prices. But one thing stays the same: Pornjim, the Fortuner's legacy. So next time you see a Fortuner, remember the story behind the price. Same machine, different worlds. Cars may look the same, but the world around them changes everything. And that's what makes comparisons like this so powerful. If you enjoy car comparisons like this, there's more coming. Because some